Hey guys, it's Mac here from Cryptstar Staking, and today I want to take you guys through a short tutorial on how to go ahead and buy artifacts and lands on Tezotopia. In our last tutorial, we went ahead and created an account with KuCow Wallet using direct authentication and Gmail account. So today, I'm not going to show you how to do that. Just go ahead and, if you didn't see that, go ahead and watch the other video. Today, I'm just going to go straight into the marketplace and purchase an item and show you what you need to do to go ahead and purchase an item. So this is assuming you've already made the account and verified your email and linked your wallet address. So what you want to do first is you can go to dashboard. You can see all of your items here. Okay. So as of right now, I have absolutely nothing. I'm a poor Tezotopia person. Now here you can go ahead and go to Tezotop's units. To the tops, units, artifacts, and collectibles. Right now there are no collectibles. Artifacts, there are pretty expensive artifacts. There's some cheap ones I think down here. These ones have, some of these have like no modifiers, so they're very, very cheap. Like this one has no modifier. So what you want to do when you're shopping, just a quick tutorial. This Uno right here, this is what you use to create lands. It's the rarest resource, right? Then you have this minerals right here. These minerals are used to create buildings on top of your Tezotop, like refineries and unobtainium reactors, things like that, which is going to increase the production of your other resources, of your other resource building, as well as create units and things like that in the future. They're coming out with new ways to use it. Energy is a one-time expendable burned item, and basically you use that to create these buildings as well. And machinery is used in conjunction with minerals and stuff to go ahead and build things. Okay, as of right now, it's not 100%. There's not a huge guide or anything about how these resources are used. However, this guide will be coming out very shortly. Just know right now that you need to collect these 3 resources, and you need to know that unobtainium, the 4th resource, is the rarest. There's only 333,333 total. So it's a pretty low market cap. So right now it's placed about 38, and this is your balance right now, so it shows your wallet balance. So what you do is you go to the market. You can search for like the unobtainium levels. For this wallet account, I don't have that much Tez in there, so I can't really buy any of these. As you can see, the cheapest one is 499 Tez, or $4,000. That's a little bit much for me. So what I would do is I would go ahead and buy an obtainium, and I'll show you how to do that in another tutorial. And then go ahead and make a Tezotop that way. But for right now, you can't do that. So let's just go to artifacts, and there's some really cheap artifacts. And this is the same exact method you'd use to buy a land. So I'm going to go to one of these really cheap artifacts. See, this one's 5.5 Tez. All you have to do is go ahead and click Buy Now. Boom. And then it sends the confirmation directly to here. So then you just have to hit Confirm. It'll take you to the direct authentication. You choose your account. And Tezos, the block time confirmation is about 30 seconds. So you're going to have to wait like between around 5 to 30 seconds in order to go ahead and see your thing. So just go ahead and wait. Get some water if you're thirsty. Or some peach tea. That's what this is. So you can see that right now it has an unconfirmed transaction. So what we'll do is we'll go back to our Map Explorer. Oh. Okay, in the marketplace. So look, it says your transaction, oh sorry, on the bottom right hand of your screen, it says transaction successful. Okay, so once that is successful, you will go ahead and go back to your dashboard, and you can see the item, your artifact in here. Now, since this does not have any modifiers to go ahead and gain any resources or anything, you can't actually get anything from this. In another tutorial, I'll go ahead and show you guys what it looks like when you're actually gaining resources from land and stuff. And basically, it just stacks up here, and then you can go ahead and claim it whenever you want. So it stacks up in a wallet that's outside of your own wallet in a smart contract, and then you can just claim that whenever it's available. Okay? So thank you guys for watching. Again, if you like this tutorial, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Bro, we need to pump it. Everybody, go to Twitter and hashtag the things, pump it, pump it real good. We need the good pump. Everybody deserves a nice Tezos pump.